This is Rose Care Companion. It times pruning, feeding, and deadheading to the exact rose class you grow and keeps everything private on your phone. Here's the full workflow. Everything lives in My Garden, where your roses are stored privately on your device, with no accounts and no tracking. To add your first rose, open the built-in reference and browse 100 cultivars that work completely offline. Search by name or scroll the list. Each cultivar shows its class, breeder, year, and disease resistance. When you've found yours, add it to your garden. Give it a nickname, note whether it's in the ground or a pot, and set the planting date. The app instantly builds a care schedule from its class. Open any rose to see its journal and log a bloom, feeding, prune, or pest sighting with a quick note. The care calendar gathers every upcoming task for the next 90 days, grouped by week and filterable by type. Browse the reference anytime to read up on rose classes and common pests. And in Settings, set your climate zone to shift reminders to your season, or export your whole garden as a JSON file, private, offline, and built for rose growers. Rose Care Companion is on the App Store.